Hi, Jessica. You know, there's no question how much time Brian Kohberger will spend in prison. He pleaded guilty, in a sense, in a way to save his own life. He'll be charged with 4 consecutive life sentences. But in court, there will be an opportunity for family of the victims to speak out, as more than 2.5 years later, many questions still remain. Kohberger, who was a criminology student at Washington State University, pleaded guilty to 4 counts of murder and 1 count of burglary. Last month, during the plea deal proceedings, the state said it planned to prove in court that he was near the King Road home before and after the killings, and the DNA evidence tied him to a knife sheath found at the crime scene. They did concede they would not attempt to prove he intended to kill all 4, only that he did end up killing them all. Reactions to the plea from the victim's family are mixed.
We are grateful for the gift of her life, and we have grieved the loss of that life during each of these 962 days. We love you, Maddie, and we miss you. We support the plea agreement 100%. While we know there are some who do not support it, we ask that they respect our belief that this is the best outcome possible for the victims, their families, and the state of Idaho.
Meanwhile, the family of Kaylee Consalves says they are beyond furious at the state of Idaho. In a statement, the family of Ethan Chapin from Skagit County says they are relieved to put this behind us. Tomorrow, the victims' family members will have the opportunity to address the court. It could come in one of many different ways. It could be through written statement or through personal testimony. There's one more, maybe rare possibility, but Brian Kohberger, through the right of allocution, has the right to address the court himself. So we'll see if that happens and perhaps illuminate some of those unanswered questions. Jessica?
The entire nation will be watching that. Sebastian, much of this case has been under a gag order that was just recently lifted. Do we expect any new information to come out?
Well, what we do know is it's not going to be a document dump of hundreds of documents all at once. The judge has said that the court, after sentencing, will start going through these documents really line by line as they determine what can be released. There's also the possibility that with the gag order lifted, people involved in this trial that maybe didn't want to taint the trial or maybe lead to a possibility of a mistrial should be able to speak out and give us more insight into what happened. Back to you.
Sebastian Robertson, live from Boise. Thank you.